Welcome to the Dermaray-Laser demonstration video number 3. The purpose of this tutorial is to show how to activate the Dermaray-Laser and begin the next treatment. Previous videos have shown how to connect the Dermaray-Laser to mains power to charge the batteries, and also how to complete the setup wizard and program date and time and patient information. Now, once all that's been done, to turn on the Dermaray, you simply hold the Enter key or the middle button for 3 seconds. And because the setup wizard has been completed, Dermaray-Laser moves straight to the idle screen. Scrolls a little bit of information. The software version, which is version 1.0, gives you an indication of the battery condition. It also gives a year, date and time. Now at the idle screen, all the 4 keys, the up arrow or the up key, right key, down key and left key, all have hotkey or specific functions. The top button, if you hold it down for 3 seconds, will actually turn on the Dermaray-Laser with a timer until it's turned off. Now, a unique feature of the Dermaray-Laser is it won't come on until it detects close proximity to a treatment area, and that prevents accidental exposure to both the user and other people. You'll see now we've turned it on by holding the top key for 3 seconds, but it didn't actually activate the lasers because it wasn't close enough to a treatment surface. So to actually turn it on, we'll hold the top button for 3 seconds, and we'll introduce a treatment area being my hand. And you can now just probably see the red glow from the lasers is on because it's near my hand. If I move my hand away or move the laser away, it'll actually turn off, and you can see it's been on for 9 seconds and stopped the timer. If I put my hand back, it'll come on again and start the timer from where it left off. You'll see the red indicator light is on, saying that the lasers are on as well, and it's counting upwards, and this is on until we stop it. We can stop it by simply moving it away. As it beeps at you and says IR disconnected. Bring a treatment area back. Now the up key, which we've used to turn it on this time, is just on until it's turned off, so we need to stop it now. We can stop it by hitting enter. We can pause the treatment to come back to it. We can continue the treatment, or we can cancel it. I want to cancel it now to finish that treatment. Therapy completed, and it's now back to the idle screen. There is another feature which is activated by the down key or the down button, and that's on for a predetermined amount of time. So if we hold down the down button, it says hold for 3 seconds to activate timer. Now this is different to the up key, which is just on and counts how long it's on for. With this option we get to actually specify how long it's on for. For example, we can pick 30 seconds by a 3 and a 0, and again there's delete and exit. Once we've picked 30 seconds, we can either scroll to exit, or when we're at the top of the menu we can actually just press enter again. So if we pick exit now and we complete that, it's saying move laser to therapy area. You'll see the lasers aren't on. Bring a therapy area or a treatment area. It's now on for 30 seconds. You can see the display counting down from 30 seconds. The lasers are on, as you can see. If we move a treatment area away, it'll stop and pause the time on the remaining time, which is 21 seconds. Bring a treatment area back in, and the lasers are on. It's a requirement of a high-powered laser to actually have a control mechanism, and you can see Dermaray-Laser clearly has a unique control mechanism. Got 10 seconds left. We'll just let this treatment complete. And that concludes the treatment. Lasers are now not off, or not on rather, so they are off, and it's back to the idle screen. There's one more key that has a very important feature here, which is the right key. The right key will load the next treatment, or the next programmed treatment for the last user. For example, if you have 10 patients all entered into the Dermaray, the last one to use it will be remembered first. So if we hold down this key, it should load patient Nick. It's saying loading patient Nick. Now it's loaded the treatment we entered in video 2 on how to set up the Dermaray-Laser. It's loaded that next treatment automatically. So this will now allocate a treatment on scalp for the patient nick for 900 seconds, which is about 15 minutes or so. So those lasers are on, and they're off if you move it away. Now, a very unique feature of the Dermaray program template is that the first 10 treatments are all at 10% of maximum power and increasing by 10% for 10 treatments. So you'll notice these lasers here are very dim. That's because they're running at 10% of full. The next treatment will run at 20%, 30%, 40%, right up to the 10th treatment they'll be administered at 100%. That's basically just to ease patients into laser therapy without hitting them with full strength straight away. You can see moving away, it turns off the lasers, bringing back a treatment area. We'll start the lasers again. So although it's a powerful laser, it's inherently safe because it will turn off if you try and shine it across the distance. Once 15 minutes is completed, it will turn itself off, or you can interrupt a treatment by pressing enter. You can pause it, continue, or cancel. To turn off Dermaray is exactly the same as turning it on. Hold the enter key for 3 seconds, the middle key, and Dermaray laser is now turned off. And that concludes this video.